Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to be doing just a quick look of the Samsung Galaxy S10e. So, this is Samsung's answer to the iPhone XR, and they're not trying to hide it. It's the same price, it's got more colors, and to be honest, I like it a lot more. So the box, well, it's pretty simple, it's just a box. And this comes in a couple colors. Depending on your region, you will have more. But there it is. This does have that camera hole, which some people call it a notch. I don't know. That's your decision. This also has a Snapdragon 855, Gorilla Glass, all the good stuff, that reverse wireless charging, all that stuff. The power share, I guess they should call it. But this, in my opinion, is the best value of the Samsung lineup for many reasons. First of all, it's only got one camera less, which is not that much. It still takes great pictures. The screen is, they ain't slacking off at all in the screen. It just looks so nice. Beautiful OLED screen. And it's still got the same processor as all the very fast other Samsung S10 models, and the One UI build of Android is very nice. This is not a Bixby button, but it is. I'm just kind of going along just the basics of this phone just because, well, why not? So this is a mappable button. Samsung did listen to people's requests of making the Bixby button remappable. And that's not all. They still have a headphone jack. Yay! Now, the only thing that I would consider a real downfall in the S10e versus the S10 would be this fingerprint sensor. It's not bad, but it's not ultrasonic. It's not in the screen. And that's, I wouldn't say it's a bad thing, but it's not necessarily a good thing. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more on this, I will. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.